Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today Mojang released Snapshot 21W43A. I'll be showing you the most important tweaks and changes in this video, so if you want to find out what's new in this snapshot, just keep on watching. In this snapshot, there have been a lot of world generation changes made when upgrading older worlds. Firstly, the edge between old and new world generation is now adjusted, so transitions will be a lot smoother. Secondly, when upgrading an old world, if there is bedrock at the Y0 coordinate, the column below it will be filled with deep sleep. More specifically, that is the coordinates between Y0 and Y4. It is important to note though, that worlds upgraded in the snapshot will permanently have deep sleep between those coords. So if you want new caves under height 0 later on, make sure to make a backup before upgrading. Moving on, lava aquifers are now less common to come across, and water aquifer levels change less often, so it's not as likely to come across underground waterfalls. There have only been a couple technical changes. The priority updates video setting has been renamed to Chunk Builder, and the chunk format has now been updated. There is more information about the chunk formatting changes made on the official Snapshot article, so if you're interested in reading more on that, we'll leave the link in the description. The bug of stone generating in the Nether has now been fixed, as well as the bug of lava pockets generating in icebergs. Some other small bugs fixed were the issue of coral and sea pickles not generating in the deep warm ocean biomes, and pufferfish not being able to spawn there either. These are all the important changes that have been made to Minecraft in this snapshot. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more from my channel, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget though, if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to test out the snapshot with your friends, you should head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching!